Our new gym allows us to compete with anyone. The district wanted to make sure the gym was designed to accommodate all school competition and grade levels, providing maximum opportunities for our students. This includes having stands on both sides so that the home crowd and visitors could have their own sections across from each other. Plus, the gym can support after-school activities too, like rec basketball and volleyball programs. We need 2 gyms because of the size of this middle school. By using a cinder block wall to separate both gyms and not a curtain, we improved the sound quality in both spaces and saved close to $750,000 in construction costs. Sweet.
Right now we're in our main gym. It's a beautiful facility. This really helps us out for 7th and 8th grade sports. We host wrestling in here, basketball and volleyball. But outside, that's our main focus, where we have our beautiful Brunswick Middle School Stadium, which is a state-of-the-art facility, has turf and it has lights, so it's really nice when we can host on the weekends and use that facility for not just middle school students, but we use it for a lot of our elementary youth programs, for youth football and youth lacrosse. And that's really nice during the week. If we need to turn the lights on, we can use those as well.